Hi there, today we're going to show you how to put your pedals on your Furo X. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you know which is your left pedal and which is your right pedal. And to tell that, we can see that on the left pedal we've got an L on the end, whereas on the right pedal we've got an R on the end. And all I'm going to do is line up the right pedal with the right side of the bike at the end of the crank arm and give it a little turn clockwise just to make sure that it sits in the threads nicely. The easiest way to do this is to hold the end of the pedal and rotate it backwards. And then lastly, I'm going to use the pedal spanner to make sure that the pedal's actually tight on there so that it doesn't come loose when you're riding, I think. There we go. So now we're going to do the same with the left pedal, but this time we're going to be spinning it anti-clockwise instead, making sure that the threads are lined up as well. There we go. And then the same as before, I'm going to hold the inside of the pedal and rotate the crank backwards. And then once it doesn't move any further by hand, I'm going to use my pedal spanner and I'm going to pop it on the end of the pedal and press downwards to tighten it as much as I can. And that's it.